So for a project that I decided to do with Eric Carl's books, I took and picked out a book that I really liked, and I really liked the book called The Tiny Seed. It sort of represents how students grow throughout the year or throughout their years in school. So looking through this book and reading it, I decided to do a project that I made up where there'll be a center, which will be me as a teacher. I'll decorate this with my name and how I would like to decorate it. And then these are going to be the little petals I cut out, and each student will get a petal, and it'll be pasted onto the flower, all around the flower, and they'll design these petals how they want. Most likely they'll be bigger. I just made them for now as a little thing for you to see what I mean, but each petal will be on there, and we'll show. And for that, I will send a picture of it all done. I'll just decorate the petals a little bit just to show you how it would sort of look. And then I'll decorate my own center as I'm the center, the teacher. And then also I really want to incorporate like planting a seed in school. They can all plant their own flowers, bring them home to their parents, to their family, and watch it grow as they grow in class.